How to get UTR number online, HMRC. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on how to obtain your UTR number online through HMRC. A UTR is essential for individuals and businesses filing self-assessment tax returns in the UK. This guide simplifies the process, ensuring you can acquire your UTR efficiently. This is the instruction on how to find it. To find your UTR number, you get a UTR when you register for self-assessment and set up a limited company. It's a 10-digit number. It might be called tax reference. You'll get your UTR by post 15 days after you register. It takes longer if you live overseas. To find your UTR depends on your circumstances, like in your personal tax account, in the HMRC app, or on previous tax returns and other documents from HMRC. If you cannot find your UTR on any documents or online, contact HMRC by clicking the Contact HMRC button to guide you. Obtaining your UTR number online through HMRC is a straightforward process. If you follow these steps, ensure all personal information is accurate to avoid delays. Once you have your UTR, you can proceed with your self-assessment tax returns. For further assistance, consider visiting the HMRC website or contacting their support services.